You may have seen these tools online. Today, I'm going to show you how to use them. The first thing you need to check is that your ball is frozen solid, and you do this by doing the Paragon dance, by shaking and making sure that the ball is completely frozen and you won't feel any vibration. The next step is choosing the appropriate height on the stand to make the ball as close to the espresso spout as possible. And today we're going to be using the Columbia La Palma El Toucan Crops and Neighbors Lot 51. I'm going to be extract chilling 10 grams and extract chilling 20 grams on the other side, and we're going to see what the extract chilling does to our espresso. We're going to taste the difference. From the 10 gram extract chilled espresso, I'm finding this beautiful silky and creamy texture, as well as this beautiful orange note. From the 20 gram, I'm finding this very bright acidity, as well as more of a juicy style texture. So we're going to roll with the 10 grams today. My recipe is 20.7 grams in, 41 out, 10 grams extract chilled, all running over 25 seconds. Cheers!